everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing these magnetic building cubes. It says build a 3D mag world for more fun. It's for ages 3 and up. And this is the Frozen pack. And it does come with 54 pieces in each thing. I did get 2 packets so that my kids can build a lot of fun stuff. But let's go ahead and get right into this and see them playing with it. So what are you building?
We're trying to make a house.
No, we're trying to make actually like a river.
A river? What are you building?
I'm trying to make this tree.
A tree? What are you building, Brandon?
We're trying to make a house.
A house?
Brandon, I need that. Okay, Brandon! I can't make this without that. Bro, I need it. You don't have enough for a house.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.